Good evening, Lake Pro Tackle fam. I hope you're having a great day today. I hope you had a great day whenever you're watching this. You know, we've got a bunch of cool stuff here in this video. We're going to be going over a bunch of new rods, some promos we got going on. If you aren't already following social media, make sure you're doing that, guys. One of the main reasons is that the progression of information is going to be the stories on Facebook and Instagram, posting on those social media platforms, and then here on YouTube. So YouTube's going to generally see it last. I just kind of do that to give our followers on Instagram and Facebook a chance before anyone else. It's much easier to post on there just on the day. I don't have to film a video like this, but make sure you're following it and subscribe here on YouTube. It is completely free. So jumping into things, guys, we got a free promo going on with Shimano, and a couple free promos. First off is going to be this really awesome sun shirt. This is a hooded sun shirt. It's going to keep you nice and out of the sun, especially for these hot summer days. I absolutely love mine. It's a little stretchier material. I'm 5'10", pretty, slim as a rail, so I wear a medium. We have medium, large, 1X and 2X available. So all you have to do to qualify for this free shirt here is buy any Shimano reel. That includes spinning reels. I highly want to push you towards the brand new Vanford. That thing is extremely smooth, feels amazing, has a good pickup on it. So any Shimano reel, make sure to email me your shirt size. So hopefully we have one that fits you. Email info@lakeprotackle.com. It's going to be down in the description there. So email me your size, let me know where your order number is, and we'll try to match you up with a shirt to fit you there. So again, all you have to do, order a reel. And we also have, for a limited time, until supplies run out, we've got the Shimano Mastiff Fluorocarbon. Now, I think I've done a video on the Mastiff Fluorocarbon. If not, guys, little rundown on it. It is extremely good line for a great price point. You're looking at kind of that Invisex range and also that sniper range that Sunline has. Very, not inexpensive, but kind of just at that cusp of you're paying a little bit more premium for a premium product. So what's great about the Mastiff is it has the nano armor in it. Knot strength is extremely good, has a little bit of stretch, so a little shock absorber. I've been cranking with it a ton. I've thrown it as leader line. It is absolutely amazing. So I absolutely love the Mastiff Fluorocarbon. It's buy one, get one free. And the sizes we have right now are going to be 12, 14, 16, 18. So buy whatever size you want. If you want to put in a 8, you can get a free 12. If you want to do like a 20 that we don't offer free, you can also get an 18 or a 14 or something like that. So buy one, get one, Shimano Mastiff Fluorocarbon. And let's go ahead and run down some of the new rods that we just got in here. These are going to be restocks. So starting it off, we've got, let's leave that one to the end. That's one of my favorite ones. So let's start with this one right here. This is going to be all in the Expride line for right now. So Expride 7'2", medium heavy glass. Now this is the Expride B. It's got awesome carbo monocoque handle at the back here. Of course, the cork is really amazing. The glass rods from the Exprides remain extremely light while being extremely supple and flexible. This glass rod here, cranking season is right around the corner, so make sure you pick one of these up. So this medium heavy here, I can run my medium divers, I can run some deeper divers on it, I can even throw a square bill on it. 7'2", medium heavy is going to get the job done on just about anything you could need in terms of cranking. So one of my favorite cranking rods there. And another one in the 7'2" lineup is going to be just the regular 7'2". So this one, of course, is just going to be your normal graphite rod. It's going to have that true medium heavy bend. Of course, with Spiral X technology in the blank here, it's going to act a little bit faster than your traditional rod from Abu Garcia or Daiwa or anything like that. So just be wary, this is a faster rod. It's medium heavy, 7'2", great for jigs, shaky heads, Texas rigs. You can finesse Carolina rig on that. You can throw chatterbaits on it. A lot of different options you can do on a 7'2" medium heavy rod. Next up, this rod here specifically is one of the hardest rods to find right now. There's not a lot of them. Most retailers will not have them because it is such a popular rod. I know Tactical Bass and Matt and Tim absolutely love this model of the Expride B. This is going to be the 6'10" medium. 6'10" medium. Jerk baits. You can even throw like spinner baits on this one. This is not the glass version. You can do a lot of different things with a 6'10" rod that you might not be accustomed to right now. So, I mean, cranking, it's going to be awesome. This medium does have a true parabolic medium bend on it. It does have a fast tip, not an extra fast tip, which is pretty notable on a lot of Expride rods. This is a very do-it-all rod. It's a great jerkbait rod. Jerkbait season is right around the corner as well. So make sure you snag this one up as soon as you can. It is going to sell out of here, I guarantee you. If we don't sell it online, it is going to fly off the shelf right behind me here. So make sure to get on it. This 6'10" medium is going to go fast. So make sure you hop on that if you can. Next up is going to be the ultimate rod here. This is the Poison Ultima Jackal Shimano collaboration rod. Of course, this rod here is the very peak of rod blanks out there. This thing is extremely light. They have 2 models in the Poison Ultima in the US editions. It's going to be a 7-foot medium light and a 7-foot medium. We have 2 mediums in stock right now. You can't find these anywhere either. Extremely hard to get. Full carbon handle here, extremely light. The carbon monocoque grip at the back. It is going to translate the sensitivity all the way down your arm into your forearm here. You're going to feel everything. You're going to distinguish between different types of rock, you know, whether it's limestone or granite. I'm just kidding. You might be able to do that, but this rod overall is just extremely sensitive. Make sure to pair it up with a very sensitive reel. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I can explain it in another video. When you match up the right rod with the right reel, everything comes together and it just is a dream to fish. So make sure to get on the Mastiff fluorocarbon. Make sure to let me know what shirt size you need if you need to order a reel. We've got tons available. We've got Corrado, like all the Corrados, Bantam, Titaniums, anything you can think of. If there's something you're specifically looking for, make sure to head over, email me, DM me on social media at Lake Pro Tackle, and we can make sure to get it for you. But without drawing this on too long, guys, I know you guys typically like a little bit shorter videos. I will see you next time. Until then, make sure to stay on the water, keep fishing, and we'll see you next time, guys. See ya.